Hi, this is Shanna Alexander, and I would like to show you today how Follet Destiny can help you interact with North Augusta Elementary School's library collection, as well as assist you in the classroom and lesson planning. First, let's talk about how to get to the online catalog. Go to the school's website, click on Academics, scroll down to Media Center, then scroll down to the online library catalog. You will then need to select North Augusta Elementary School. Now we can log in. Your username is the first initial of your first name and then your last name. The password is BOOKS. Once you've logged on, you can also customize your profile picture. From here, you can place as many books on hold as you may need for any sort of project you might be working on. Simply search the topic of books you are interested in. Select the books you would like to place on hold. If you have a project that you do every year and want to keep track of the books you would like to have for that project, you might enjoy making a resource list. To make this list, select Back Office, click on Catalog, select Resource List, then click Add List. Enter the title you would like the list to have, and any description you would like to have for it. Then, make sure that you select Library Search to add books to your list. It is very important to make sure you choose Library Search before you start adding books to your list. If you do not, it will automatically enter all the materials that fit your description. In the Library Search, enter the criteria for your topic. Make sure that the list you want is already selected in our selected list area, and then click Add to List for as many of the books you would like. There are a lot of resources available on Follet Destiny that are not just books in the library. The collections that are curated on it can save you a lot of planning time. To view existing collections, select Collections in the top left corner. From here, you have to make sure you're logged in. From here, you can choose from collections that are only made by members of Aiken County, or you can choose from the public collections. You can also search the feature collections. You can view existing collections on your topic through the search bar. To make your own collection, select the Private tab. Then click Create Collection. Give your collection a title and description. Don't click Create until you have completed all the information you would like the collection to have. You can also choose which visibility setting you would like it to have. By clicking Next, you can choose the tags you would like this collection to have. Then you can choose to customize your collection. You can choose from a stock photo, or upload one from your computer. You can also choose the color scheme that you would like for your collection to have. Once you've created your collection, you can begin to add items to it. You are not limited only to books in the library. In your collection, you can add a multitude of media. For example, for tornadoes, we might want to add the Weather Channel. So we would add item, select URL, and then we'll paste the URL we copied previously and add it to our collection. We can also copy YouTube videos. You can also upload documents from your OneDrive or Google Docs. Once you've selected the document, it will automatically generate a title for you, as well as state what type of document it is. You can then give the description you would like this document to have and add any tags you would like for it to have. You can also add notes concerning specific things you would like to showcase in your collection. When you have all your content uploaded, you can create a playlist from those items. You can also add items that are found in the library to your collection for easy reference. Simply enter the topic of your collection that focuses on and go over to the Books tab. Once you find something you would like to add, click Add to Collection. Then choose the collection you would like to add it to. When you have the content placed in the collection, you can also choose the layout you would like it to have. Your progress saves automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing content. Thank you so much for watching this presentation on the tools available to you through Follet Destiny.